You've never had spinach and rice like this. This is spinach polo, a classic Persian dish that's comforting, full of flavor, and packed with nourishment. Fluffy basmati rice with tender, spiced chicken, and sautéed spinach cooked down with golden onions and garlic, all in one pot. And let's talk about spinach. It's rich in iron, loaded with antioxidants, and a great source of vitamins of C and K. It supports immune health, boosts energy, and keeps your skin glowing. This dish is wholesome, satisfying, and simple to make, perfect for a cozy weeknight meal or sharing with your loved ones. If you love food that's easy, healthy, and full of bold flavor, follow me for more healthy, delicious, and nutritious dishes.